Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from your Rice Passion. So you all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some exclusive printed collections, summer friendly Malmal cotton Malmal collections only for you. So let me display pure Malmal cotton premium quality with all over bright printed one, best for your daily wear, office wear, smart looks. This one is full base part, bright printed one, very smart daily looks, summer looks. And this one full base part all over bright printed one. This one is running blouse piece, contrast color plain. And this one pallu portions highlighted stripes pattern printed pallu. And this one is all over base, very fresh and bright looks, best for your daily wear. And I will suggest this soft silk material, self weaving ikat work, contrast blouse piece with this for your smart and fresh looks. And this one also very smart trendy one, demanding also premium quality Malmal cotton, soft one, summer friendly with beautiful smart printed one. This one is pallu portions, fully contrast color highlighted stripes pallu and all over face printed one, and very soft one, pure Malmal cotton with all over face printed one. This portion is border portion, and this one all over base nice printed. And this one is running blouse piece, very elegant and fresh looks, best for your daily wear. And I will say this cotton fabric, fully printed contrast blouse piece with this for your elegant looks. And this one also nice bright color combinations, Malmal cotton, soft one, summer friendly, best for your daily wear. This one is full base part, very soft one, comfortable premium quality Malmal. And this one is all over base, fresh printed one. And this one is pallu portion, contrast color black with beautiful nice printed pallu and black plain running blouse piece. This one is pallu portions, and this one is all over base, very elegant looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, nice printed contrast blouse piece with this for your smart daily looks. And this one also nice color combinations, pure white base Malmal cotton, soft one, trendy and fresh looks, contrast color border and all over fresh printed one. This one all over printed white base and very soft one, elegant looks, best for your daily wear. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions, contrast highlighted printed pallu, and this one is border, very elegant looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, fully heavy weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this for your trendy looks. Also in a very nice color combinations, batik printed one, pure soft Malmal cotton with hand batik printed one, very bright and fresh looks, best for your daily wear, office wear, smart looks, batik printed highlighted stripes pattern design, contrast color border and all over stripes pattern and fully hand batik printed. This one is upper base portion, and this one is split section batik crepe. This one is splits, and this one is upper base part. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu and contrast color with highlighted batik printed pallu, very smart and fresh looks. And I suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this for your elegant fresh daily looks. And this one also trendy and smart, fashionable also, and pure Malmal cotton, soft one, summer friendly obviously. And this one is all over base, beautiful Buta pattern printed, all over printed one, base part is white. And this one is running blouse piece, different contrast printed. And this one is all over base, and pallu this portion is split section, fully Lehriya pattern printed. This one is split section. This one is upper base part, very trendy looks, and same portion pallu end, half smart looks, Lehriya pattern printed. This portion is split section. This one is upper base part to pallu end. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful heavy weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this for your smart fancy looks. And this one also, bright color combinations, contrast color border, black base with beautiful bright printed one. This one is all over base, all over printed, and this portion is border portions, contrast color, beautiful printed highlighted base part, buta printed, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions, contrast color printed pallu. This portion is border portions and very soft one, malmal cotton, and I will suggest this cotton fabric, fully weaving, heavy work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive trendy looks. And this one also very smart color combinations, pink with black contrast looks, all over phrase printed one. This one full base part, all over printed, pink base, contrast color border, and this portion is pallu portions, beautiful highlighted printed one, and pure malmal cotton, soft one, summer friendly soft one. And this one full base part, all over phrase printed. This one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part, and I will suggest this cotton fabric, a nice printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart fresh looks. Nice color combinations, malmal cotton, soft one with all over phrase printed one, smart looks. This one is all over base, bright printed all over. This one is soft malmal cotton, trendy smart daily looks. This one is all over nice printed one, and this one is pallu end, and this one full base part, summer friendly smart looks, premium quality malmal cotton, all over same bright printed one, and bright blue shade. This one is running blouse piece, and I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful highlighted printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart and fresh looks. And this one bright color combinations, red shade with all over phrase printed one, phrase looks. This one is all over base. This portion is pallu portions, fully contrast color, savory pattern printed, highlighted pallu, and this one is all over base, smart looks, all over bright printed one, maroon shade. This one is all over base, and this one running blouse piece, plain blue shade, and I will suggest this contrast blouse piece, cotton fabric, heavy weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy daily looks. And this one also nice color combinations, very elegant one, soft comfortable malmal cotton with contrast color border portion. And this one is all over base, fresh printed one, and very smart looks, based for your daily wear, office wear. This one is contrast color border, and middle portions also bright printed one. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions, contrast color lahariya pattern, highlighted printed pallu, and this one is full base, and I will suggest this cotton fabric, nice printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart looks. And this one also very elegant one, based for your daily wear, office wear, malmal cotton with beautiful phrase printed one. This one is all over base, black base, contrast color, highlighted printed border, and all over printed. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portion, contrast color with highlighted lahariya pattern printed pallu, and this one border portions, very nice and fresh looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, fully weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart looks. And this one very beautiful bright printed one, malmal cotton, soft comfortable, based for your summer wear. This one is full base part, black base, bright printed contrast color, highlighted printed border, all over bright printed one. This one is a running blouse piece, and this one is pallu portions, beautiful highlighted printed pallu. Sorry, this one is running, this one is pallu portion, beautiful printed, and this one is running blouse piece, very smart trendy looks. And we suggest this cotton fabric, highlighted printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright looks. Also, bright color combinations, black with red contrast border all over printed one, soft malmal cotton, very soft one, summer friendly. This one is all over base phrase printed one, contrast color border, based for your office wear, daily wear, smart look. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions, contrast color with highlighted stripes pattern pallu, and this one full base part, very smart and bright fresh looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful nice printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart looks. And this one nice color combination, soft malmal cotton with all over bright printed one, contrast color border with beautiful smart printed. This one is all over base. This portion is border portions, contrast color with highlighted printed border all over nice printed white base. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions, contrast color smart printed pallu. This one is full piece, very smart and fresh daily looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, fully lahariya pattern printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart daily looks. And this one also nice color combinations, pure malmal cotton, soft one with trendy and smart demanding also. This one is all over base, all over bright printed one, batik printed contrast color border with all over batik printed. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu in beautiful highlighted printed butterfly pattern printed pallu, and this one is all over base, very nice and fresh looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric with weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart look, smart daily looks. And this one also nice color combinations, bright fresh one, malmal cotton, soft one, summer friendly fresh looks. This one is full base part. This one is full base part all over fresh bright printed one, upper base part to pallu in beautiful highlighted printed. This one is pallu end, contrast color nice printed pallu end, and this one is upper base part black base, and this one is split section contrast red with highlighted batik printed split. This one is split portion, this one is upper base part, and this one is running blouse piece, very smart looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful highlighted printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy daily looks. Very nice color combinations, batik printed one, hand batik printed contrast color, coffee brown border and pallu with beautiful batik printed one, bright red shade, and malmal cotton soft one, summer friendly smart fresh daily looks. This one full base part all over bright printed one. This portion is border portion, contrast color coffee brown shade with batik printed one. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions highlighted contrast color with batik printed highlighted pallu, and this one is all over base, very nice and fresh looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart looks. And this one also nice color combinations, hand batik printed one, very elegant also, soft one, summer friendly, based for your daily wear smart looks. This one pallu portions, contrast color with hand batik printed highlighted pallu. This one is pallu portions, and this one is all over base batik printed one, soft one, smart looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is half portion, very nice fresh looks. And such is this linen fabric, beautiful highlighted buta printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart fresh looks. And this one also nice color combinations, black and red contrast looks, malmal cotton soft one, summer friendly bright fresh looks. This one is all over base, fully printed one, bright red shade, and this one is pallu portion, contrast color highlighted printed pallu. This one is pallu portion, smart fresh daily looks. This one is pallu, and this one is all over base, contrast color black border with printed one, and all over base bright red shade, and this one is border portions printed, and this one is pallu portions, very nice looks. And this one running blouse piece plain, and I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful smart printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy looks. And this one also, nice and elegant looks, premium quality, pure handloom chanderi cotton material and half inch highlighted golden zari border, all over face printed one, very fresh looks. This one is all over base printed white base with beautiful highlighted printed golden zari border and full border portions, nice printed one, very elegant fresh look. This one is running blouse piece and this one pallu portions fully highlighted stripes pattern printed pallu and this one is border, very elegant and fresh looks. And I suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy looks. Very beautiful and fresh looks, same material chanderi cotton material, soft one with beautiful badhani buta printed one, very fresh and elegant looks. This one is all over base, soft comfortable highlighted half inch golden zari border chanderi cotton material, all over badhani buta printed one, fully hand process. And this one is running blouse piece and this one pallu portions, beautiful badhani buta printed pallu and this one is all over base, very fresh looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric fully weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your fresh and bright looks. And this one also nice color combinations, black base and same material chanderi cotton material, half inch highlighted golden zari border and all over fresh printed one. This one is full base part, all over multi-color box pattern printed, batik printed and this one is all over base. This portion this one is pallu portions, bright printed one and this one is all over base, black base with beautiful highlighted printed. This one is running blouse piece and this one full base part. And please suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy looks. Nice color combination, soft one chanderi cotton material, very soft comfortable sivori with badhani buta printed one, bright color combinations, mustard yellow with red contrast look, sivori printed border and this one beautiful buta printed golden zari border chanderi cotton material. This one is running blouse piece and this one pallu portions, all over same printed one, this one is all over same printed, all over base, all over same printed one. This one is pallu and smart looks, all over same printed. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, nice printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy and fresh looks. And today I have got a beautiful saree, malmal cotton and this one is border portions, contrast color, ajrak printed highlighted, all over base, soft malmal cotton and this one is pallu portions, beautiful printed one, pure malmal cotton, beautiful saree and blouse, ready-made blouse. If you want the same combo, please contact your WhatsApp. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Take care. Thank you so much.